Hey everyone, and thanks for joining today. We had a strong quarter for our community, our business, and our progress towards AI. More than 3.5 billion people use at least one of our apps every day. We saw a small decrease in total family dailies due to internet outages in Iran and blocks in Russia, but otherwise, trends across our apps are strong. Daily and monthly actives on Instagram and Facebook continue to grow, with video driving all-time high engagement across both apps. WhatsApp continues to see strong momentum too, including in the US, and Threads continues on its trajectory to be the leading app in its category. Our biggest milestone so far this year has been the release of our Muse family of models, and our first model, Muse Spark, along with a significantly upgraded new version of Meta AI. This was the first release from Meta Superintelligence Labs, and it shows that our work is on track to build a leading lab. Over the past 10 months, we have built the strongest research team in the industry and established the scientific and technical foundations to scale very advanced models. Spark is just one step on that scaling ladder, and we are already training even more advanced models. But Spark has already made Meta AI a world-class assistant that leads in several areas related to our vision of personal superintelligence, including visual understanding, health, shopping, social content, local, creating games, and more. We're hearing very positive feedback on it so far. We've seen large increases in Meta AI use since releasing the updates, and the Meta AI app has consistently been near the top of the app stores as well. Now that we have a strong model, we can develop more novel products as well. Since I first wrote about our vision for personal superintelligence last year, we've been focused on delivering personal and business agents to billions of people around the world. Our goal is not just to deliver Meta AI as an assistant, but to deliver agents that can understand your goals and then work day and night to help you achieve them. My view of AI is very different from many others in the industry. I hear lots of people out there talk about how AI is going to replace people. Instead, I think that AI is going to amplify people's ability to do what you want, whether that's to improve your health, your learning, your relationships, your ability to achieve your personal and career goals, and more. My view is that human progress has always been driven by people pursuing their individual aspirations, and I believe that will continue to be true in the future. People will be more important in the future, not less. Meta believes in empowering individuals. Those are the kinds of products we're going to build, and I believe they're going to be some of the most important and valuable products of all time. We are building a personal agent focused on helping people achieve the diverse goals in their lives. We are also building a business agent focused on helping entrepreneurs and businesses across the world use our tools and others to grow their efforts, reach new customers, and serve existing customers better. These agents will work together to form an ecosystem. And whether you use our personal or business agents to achieve your goals, I believe the future will see a massive increase in entrepreneurship from people creating new things that they've always wanted to exist, but previously didn't have the tools to bring into the world. We're already testing an early version of business AIs, and weekly conversations have grown 10x since the start of this year. We're also working on using Spark and our upcoming models to improve our recommendation systems and core business in Facebook, Instagram, and ads. Right now, our apps primarily help people accomplish three important goals: connecting with people, learning about the world, and entertainment. But we've always wanted our apps to understand more of people's goals, so we can help improve their lives in all the ways that they want. These new AI models will let us understand this in more detail. Instead of just looking at statistical patterns of what types of people engage with what content, for the first time in Meta's history, we're going to be able to develop a first principles understanding of what you care about and what each piece of content in our system is about, so we can show you more useful things for what you're trying to accomplish. We'll also be able to create personalized content specifically for people to help achieve your goals as well. Since our recommendation systems are operating at such large scale, we'll phase in this new research and technology over time. But the trend over the last few years seems clear, that we are seeing an increasing return on the amount that we can improve engagement for people and value for advertisers. This encourages us to continue investing heavily in what we expect will provide increasing value over the coming years as well. On that note, we are increasing our infrastructure CapEx forecast for this year. Most of that is due to higher component costs, particularly memory pricing.
But every sign that we're seeing in our own work and across the industry gives us confidence in this investment. That said, we are very focused on increasing the efficiency of our investments. As part of that, we're rolling out more than 1 gigawatt of our own custom silicon that we're developing with Broadcom, as well as significant amounts of AMD chips to complement the new NVIDIA systems that we're rolling out as well. One of the primary goals of our Meta Compute initiative is to lead the industry in efficiency of building compute, and we expect that will be a strategic advantage over time.
Talking about building physical goods at scale, our AI glasses continue to perform well, with the number of people using them daily tripling year over year. This continues to be one of the fastest growing categories of consumer electronics ever. We released Ray-Ban Meta Optics this quarter, designed for all-day wear rather than primarily as sunglasses. And building on our release of Oakley last year, we have some exciting new partnerships and styles that I think are going to have the potential to reach even more people coming later this year. All of our glasses are designed to easily update to use our newest AI models and features. I'm also really excited to see the glasses evolve from being able to answer questions to being able to be a personal agent that's with you all day long, helping you remember things and achieve your goals. Beyond glasses, I am excited for more of our metaverse efforts to be powered by the AI models we're training as well. We remain the biggest investor in the VR space across the industry, but we are focused on making our VR business sustainable as we invest more in other areas like AI and glasses. Before wrapping, I want to talk for a moment about how AI is transforming our work. We're seeing more and more examples where 1 or 2 people are building something in a week that would have previously taken dozens of people months. I want to make sure that Meta is the best place in the world for these types of people to come and make an impact. We're building the next evolution of our company around these people. There's a lot we can do to enable this, building the best infrastructure for creating and delivering products at scale, streamlining our teams so they aren't bigger than they need to be, recognizing and rewarding the people having outsized impacts, and setting ourselves up to try many more ideas and take on many new projects in the future. Of course, we'll continue pushing to increase our efficiency as well, but overall, I think the future is about building many more higher quality things than we've ever built before. All right, that's what I wanted to cover today. We are living through a historic technological transformation. We are among the few companies positioned to shape the future, and we are on track to do that. I'm looking forward to delivering personal superintelligence to billions of people. And as always, I'm grateful for the hard work of our teams and to all of you for being on this journey with us.